Thank you, iStim, for sending this item to check out. And this is the TENS EMS muscle stimulator, the EV-906, and we will be unboxing to see what's inside. And here we have the EV-906. And here we have a USB-A to USB micro. We have two of these connections in one of the bags. Same thing in the second bag. And we have an AC adapter with the USB-A at the end. We have 6 packages of the self-adhesive electrodes, which are Sekisu Gel 100% made in Japan. So that's about 4 electrodes, self-adhesive electrodes per package. So we have 24 included total. And we have the instruction manual for the EV-906. So this is all what's included in the iStim TENS EMS muscle stimulator.